Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Rhino tutorial how to hatch. So as example, I will create rectangle, and if you want to apply hatch into this rectangle, you can type hatch, press enter. Now you can select the object. I will select this object, press enter again. The next will be show for hatch dialog box, and in here you can edit. Like I will set into this pattern at this, and then to set into rotation you can click in here. Like I will set into 45 degree, and this is for scale. You can increase and decrease the size of the hatch. If you done, you can click OK. Okay, that's it for a basic Rhino tutorial how to hatch. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.